So hi, good morning. Good morning. My name is Leia, and I am from Team Read and Ramsey. So we're going to discuss today about the lesson or topic that we choose, and this is about teaching multi-grade classes. So multi means plenty, many, and more than one, and the grade means level. Multi-grade therefore means many grades. So multi-grade teaching is a situation in which one teacher has to teach many grades at the same time. It happens in all schools where there are more grades than teacher. Some multi-grades teacher may teach two grades, while some teacher teach three or four grades. And very small school, teachers may teach six or seven grades at the same times under one roof. And the traditional single grade teaching or monograde, as it is sometimes called, the teacher teaches only one grade. The learner in each grade are usually of the same age but may differ in abilities.
Additionally to Arteleya's discussion, multi-grade classes structure is known by various names in different countries. This includes composite or combination classes, double classes, and so on and so on. In multi-grade school, a relatively small number of teachers try to be effective in their educational work while dealing simultaneously with a number of pupils of different ages, educational levels, and needs. It follows that for our children to learn effectively in multi-grade environments, teachers need to be well-trained, well-resourced, and able to meet highly demanding teaching tasks and to hold positive attitudes to multi-grade teaching. What are the reasons for the existence of multi-grade classes? Because lack of teacher, lack of classroom, class size, remote areas, in short, kakulangan sa classroom and kakulangan din sa mga magtuturo sa mga estudyante.
Challenges in teaching multi-grade classes and ways how to overcome this. Few materials are available for multi-grade teaching. Planning can be very time-consuming. Isolation of teachers may lead to frustrations. Physical conditions may be unattractive. Some classrooms are very small and overcrowded. Stakeholders may have reservations about multi-grade teaching. The curriculum, planning for delivery, attitude, disadvantage and local environment, learners at different learning levels, teacher frustrations, the physical space, isolation due to the geographical location.
Here are the list of the multi-grade school in the Philippines. Number 1, Alminos Adventist Multi-Grade in Alminos City, Pangasinan. Number 2, Unison Multi-Grade School in Nueva Valencia in Guimaras. Number 3, Bogo Multi-Grade School in Southern Leyte. Number 4, Adventure Multi-Grade School in Tulang, Getafe, Bohol. Number 5, Jimenez Multi-Grade School in Delfin Albano, Isabela. Number 6, San Felipe Multi-Grade School in San Manuel, Tarlac. Number 7, Western Tarlac Adventist Multi-Grade School in Tarlac. Number 8, Carino Multi-Grade School in Paniqui, Tarlac. Number 9, Moncada Adventist Multi-Grade School. Number 10, Norzagaray Multi-Grade School. Number 11, Kim Marderon Adventist Multi-Grade School. Number 12, Mabini Adventist Multi-Grade School in Gamo, Isabela. Number 13, Villa Fermin Multi-Grade School in Enchagque, Isabela. Number 14, Inarihan SDA Multi-Grade School in Camarines Sur. Number 15, Paulbo, Calambangas, Camarines Sur. Number 16, Bay Adventist Multi-Grade School. Number 17, Sogod, Southern Leyte. Number 18, Manawag Adventist Multi-Grade in Manawag, Pangasinan. Number 19, San Ramon SDA Multi-Grade in San Ramon, Iriga City. Multigrade teaching requires spacious classroom so that learners can move and interact freely without disturbing one another. The classroom should be protected from wind and rain when the weather is suitable. Learners can also be taught outside